guys, I'm going to show you how to take out this old Peterson light. It's a 4-inch circle light. The number for it is PM413. Alright, and we're going to change it out with this new light. LED is still a 4-inch. Alright, first thing you're going to do is take out the 3 8mm screws. One. Two. Alright. Mine also has a 13mm one here. I don't technically know what it's for. So we're going to need this 13mm box wrench and a drive. Put the drive on the outside. Put the box wrench on the inside. Alright, so that's off too. Now, to get this light out, get you a right angle pick. It's just this little metal clip here. Pull the clip out. That's the clip. Pull the whole light out. And we're going to take this whole piece out. To get this whole piece out, just take your little hammer and knock it out. Just like that. Alright, so this is gone. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put this rubber ring in first. Make sure that you put the rubber ring all the way in and get the lip of the metal right in here. Okay? So you put it through. All the way. Just like that. Alright, that's all the way in. Okay. Now you're going to take your light. You can pull this harness out. Just grab it, pull it out. This goes in from the back side. It's easier that way. So you're gonna go in from the back side, just like this. And when you go in, you're gonna push the whole lip from the back side into this rubber. And there you go. You got your new light in. Now all you got to do is connect the red to the positive, the black to the negative, and then ground the white wire. And that's it. Alright guys, and here's the finished product. This is JOATD, and I'm out.